Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in to this episode of Bill Ride Repeat. Today is my son's first time visiting a Harley dealership. Hey, Larry. So we're out in Gaithersburg at District Harley-Davidson. And we're about to walk in and take a look at, see what they got going on. So let's go. Ready, baby boy? Ready to go and see some Harley-Davidsons? You ready to go and see where all my money went before you were born? Hey.
Oh, you didn't see his face. Hi.
See? The ladies love you, baby boy. This is his first time in a Harley dealership. Thank you for the welcoming hey and hello.
Hi, baby. What's his name?
His name is Larry.
Larry?
Yes. What's your name?
Priscilla.
Priscilla.
Hi,
Priscilla meet Larry. Larry meet Priscilla. See all the cool stuff, Larry? So he's reading the posters or the magazine covers of Mr. Maurice Slaughter, the owner of District Harley-Davidson here in Gaithersburg. See all the cool stuff? You got road glides, you got street glides, more road glides, more street glides. What you think? See all the colors? See all the cool wheels and stuff? And the parts. What are these? These are Ultras. You see the Ultras tree? Mm-hmm. Those are the T-Sport, I believe. What you think? Oh, cool stuff. Which one you like? You like any of them? Yeah, I'm bringing him down to let him see this is his first dealership.
Awesome.
Visit. First visit dealership.
Well, we're honored.
Yes. He just turned 6 months.
He's
what,
big,
2 days ago?
He's a big boy for 6 months.
Oh
man.
yeah.
You know what? Can he see? His head is like almost over his eyes.
Oh yeah.
How you doing, buddy?
See if I can get
How you doing?
get you a little bit more viewage.
Hi. You see the motorcycles? Vroom, vroom, vroom.
Yeah.
All right. If you guys have any questions, if he has any questions, you let me know. Okay?
All right, we'll do.
My name's John. All right?
John, good meeting you, John.
Good meeting you too. What's your name?
I'm Larry.
Larry. Nice to meet you.
And
buddy.
this is Larry as well.
Hi, Larry. Hi, Larry. Have fun, guys.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
We're gonna look at some cool clothes. Let's go look at some cool clothes. Let's go see what we can convince your granddaddy to get you. Because you know he'll get it for you, right? All right, we're upstairs. Oh, look what we see. Look at the Harley band. Look, Tree. You want, oh, look at that outfit. Okay. Well, that's the girl stuff over here. Look at the boy stuff up front. What do you see? You see anything you want? Oh, we'll get you some of those boots in when you get big enough. Oh, we might get you that right there. What's the name called? A little Harley Lovey? You like this? Huh? You get Grandpa Uno to get this for you? Okay, I'll convince him to get it for you. All right, Grandpa. Your grandson needs one of these. This is hard, carrying him around on one arm. At 19 some odd, almost 20 pounds. Woo! We got the cool district shirts. stuff that hope I can convince your mom to get me. So your dad could look cool in the cool Harley stuff, right? Ooh, that's enough. Like that? I like that. This is my son's first time at a Harley-Davidson dealership, so he's seen all the cool stuff.
Awesome.
All the cool bikes,
cool stuff to see,
all the cool
yeah.
colors, yeah.
Yeah.
So that's why walking them through and also getting them accustomed to being in the dealership.
That's right.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What's your name again?
Chris.
Chris. Thanks, Chris.
Let me know if you have any questions.
All right. This is Larry
Nice
as
to
well.
meet you, Larry.
All right. What you think so far, Tree? See anything cool back there you like? Looking over at the cool bikes. Pick out which color you like. Oh, you don't remember? You don't know your colors yet. My bad. Doesn't know his colors yet. Soon, though. Soon. He will know his colors. So, my baby boy is checking out all the cool bikes from upstairs. All my friends and family have been asking me, when is he gonna get a bike? And I told him, or I tell them, whenever he can afford the payments. Exactly. Larry, one of the things I definitely want to let you know, whenever you ride your motorcycle, you always have to wear your helmet. Always. Don't ask me how I know. I'm telling you because I know so, not because I heard so. I made a mistake doing it before, and yeah, I got kind of scuffed up without wearing my helmet. So, yes, please make sure you wear your helmet every time you ride. Always wear your protective gear, whether it be leathers, or since we're vegan, somebody might say something about that. But yeah, make sure you ride your protective gear. Oh yeah, make sure you dress for the slide and not the ride. See, Larry, this is the dangerous part of the dealership. This is where all the money gets spent. Get the parts and accessories. Oh, it's the dangerous part. You come in here and spend all your monies. All of your monies. All of them. Just come here to take a look at some grips. But all the grips are locked up or in packages. That's cool though. Yeah, that's the service center back there. See anything cool back there? What'd you see? Looking at the road glides? See, I told your mom to get a road glide. Your grandpa wants a road glide too. Which one? What color you like? Ooh, you like that gray one? Look at that one. You like that? I like that too. Look at this road glide. Ooh, you like that color? What you think about that? That's the one we should convince your mom to get. So, Mom, get this one. Tell her you like that color. Maybe she'll get it for herself. Then you can ride it when you get big enough. Get that CVO. Like that. Like those.
How's it going?
You got it. You need something, holler at me.
All right.
Shop, how's everything?
Good, man. What you up to today?
Oh man, all is well, man. Bringing my son for his first visit at the Harley dealership.
Uh-oh.
So this is his
Getting
first
ready.
time. Yeah.
Getting primed up. Another year or two, we have him on the electric bike.
Right. I got him on I got a Strata bike for him, so he's got the
Got the
main one.
concept down, huh?
Yes. He just turned 6 months the other day, and he is already balancing himself on the bike.
That's pretty amazing.
Yeah. So yeah, I'm ready for it.
The natural born motocross rider.
Right. So here you go, Tree. These are the E12, E16 bikes. Let's see if we can convince your grandpa to get you one of these when you get big enough. Think he'll get you one? You want one? Look at it. It's almost like yours. You'll be doing cool stuff like that. Oh, they got helmets too. So you remember when I told you about riding with your gear on? That's your gear right there. Okay. Okay. We might have to get you one of those. Well, at least he'll have to get you one of those. Okay.
Got my cards in yet.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Okay.
All right,
Nice
man.
meeting you guys.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right.
Appreciate it.
Yeah.
She ready to go? You had a good time at the dealership? See some cool stuff? So this is my son's first time at a Harley dealership. The folks here at District Harley-Davidson here in Gaithersburg, Maryland were pretty awesome. We saw some cool stuff, saw some cool clothes, and yeah, we'll be back, or at least he'll be back, maybe when he can afford a payment. So thanks again for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and see you on the next one.